Hi, in the previous lecture, I explained how we can add the email body in the HTML format in our SAP web program, and we are able to send email with the HTML content. Now, in this lecture, I will explain how we can add the hyperlink. There can be many requirements to add the hyperlink for a website, for a product, for an invoice, or nowadays a common hyperlink we give for the payment, like pay now. So consider scenario, you are drafting an email from SAP system to remind the customer about his outstanding dues, and along with that email, in the same email body, you are giving one pay now link. So when the user will click on that pay now clickable word, so it should open a payment link. So many companies nowadays they use the different gateway server, payment gateway server. Okay, so one of the one which I'm using is like Razorpay. In Razorpay, there's an option you can generate the payment link from this dashboard. Okay, this is the payment link, and this payment link we can send to through email, WhatsApp, SMS to the customer. Okay, and second thing, this is the manual process of generating payment link. The same can be done through the API. Okay, the API is the preferred way of doing this because for every customer the outstanding amount will be different. So at runtime through the API we can generate the payment link. Okay, so I'm not going into the API part as of now. So let's assume we have generated this payment link. Okay, and now this payment link we want to send in the email. When user click on the pay now like word, this link should open. So if I enter this link in the browser, so we can see here this payment option is coming here. Then user can enter the mobile number and further go for the processing of the payment. Okay, so same link we can give provide in our email body. So come down. So as we remember, like we have added this email body, the signature and the table. So before this, I will add one pay now link. Okay, so here there are two page break. So I will just add one more page break here after table, and here I will add the link. So now we don't want to type directly that link. Okay, instead we'll add as a hyperlink. So for that I have written here one command. Okay, one prompt. So I'll pass this to our chat GPT. Create a HTML line with the word as pay now. Okay, so pay now will get in dark blue, bold, clickable. Okay, and when click on this payment on the when click on this a payment link, the same payment link I have typed here to be open in the Chrome browser. Okay, so we'll just get our ABAP code. See, this is our work area line. This is a reference. The H reference is the hyperlink. Okay, so this is the hyperlink. This will get open. Okay, and when user will click on this pay now button, pay now word. So I will copy this. I will copy this. I will go back to our code lines and I will just add line here. Save, check, and activate. Okay, so execute. Select the HTML. Send email. Yes. Go to SOST. Refresh. So here we can see the email is sent. This is development system, so we cannot see in our what do you say in our Gmail, etc. So here I can see the pay now is appearing now, and this clickable. Okay, once I click here, so by default here it is opening actually Chrome. Here it is opening in Internet Explorer. I want in Chrome browser. That is not working. That's fine. Okay, some issue I found here. Let me check that. Yeah, I think here some issue is there. Okay, the link should be like this. Let me try this. Target bank. Color dark blue. Okay, because it is not, it was not working properly. Let me try again one more time, because the color was also not properly in blue color. Email sent successfully. Let me just refresh again. Yeah, now you can see proper dark blue color. Earlier the issue was here it was single quote. Okay, and this H reference, this should be in this double quote. Okay, not in the single quote. So our payment link should go like this. Okay, so now here inside the SOST, if I click, see here in this SAP system, this by default open in the IE, Internet Explorer browser. But in real time, once you open from the Gmail or any email, based on your setting, if the Chrome is the default browser, it will open in Chrome. So I'll just copy this and I will paste in the browser and see the same payment link is getting open. Okay, so like this you can add this payment link in your email. This is one of the common requirement. Okay, so now one more thing I will explain here. See, in this case, what I did, I used the hardcode payment link, right? This is my hardcode payment link. But in real time, you might be generating this payment link through API. Okay, and you have to write the code for the API. So what I will do, I will explain, like once you generate the URL through API, okay, so you have to concatenate this instead of hard coding. So let me here do some data declaration. Here only I will do a data declaration. Let's say like LV underscore link of type string. Okay, of type string. So based on your outstanding amount, first you generate the link. Okay, based on your outstanding amount, you generate the link. Okay, let's say perform like get pay underscore link. So in real time, what you have to do, you have to add a block, and in here you will add your logic to get the link. Okay, and now let's assume you got your link in this variable LV underscore link. As of now, I'm passing hard coding, but real time you will generate. Okay, but now we can have the dynamic link in this LV underscore link. So now we have to concatenate this instead of hard coding. So how we can do that? See, concatenate, remaining part will be same. Copy till here. See, this is very basic thing, but on my like course Q&A section, most of the time I get very small questions like this. That's why I'm explaining this. Okay, the first will be as it is. Then we are concatenating the LV underscore link. Okay, and from here onwards, the end part will take as it is. Okay, into as underscore contains lines, and the last part is as it is. Fine. So assuming that in this LV underscore link, we are getting the dynamic URL of the payment gateway. And using that link, we are just concatenating that link to the remaining HTML part. Fine. We can change this text if we require. Let's say click here to pay now. This time I change the click here to pay now. Okay. We can add any text. So now let me execute again. Effect, email sent successfully. Go to SOST, check the email, display, see. Now we can see the same. Click here to pay now. Again the same, it is open in the IE and in real time it will open in the Chrome browser. Fine. So in this way we will learn like how to add the hyperlink. Okay, this is the concept of hyperlink. Here I shown the example of payment link. You can have any requirement like you might want to add website link, product link, anything you can do it. Fine. So in this way we done this session. Thank you.